Okay, question number 13. Water has a density of rho 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this is rho W. Glycerine has a density of 1.3. So rho glycerine, and the student measures out a volume of water, volume of 40 centimeter cube of glycerine into a container. So this is V glycerine. The student adds water to the container and makes a mixture of glycerine and water, assuming the total volume of water and glycerine does not change when the liquids are mixed. Which means what? When you add water and glycerine, the total volume V is equal to V glycerine plus V water. That's what this particular line tells you. Okay, so if you had glycerine 10 ml, 40 ml and water 20 ml, 40 plus 20 should only make 60. It should not make 50. That's what it tells you. Which volume of water needs to be added to make a mixture of a density of 1.1 gram per centimeter cube? See, what is this given here? This is your average density. Okay, when average density is given, what is that? How do you find out? Average density, where will I write? I will write here. Average density is equal to, it's not rho 1 plus rho W divided by 2, okay, which is incorrect. Okay, do not do this. So, but instead you should just say mass of water plus mass of glycerine divided by volume of water plus volume of glycerine. This is what you have to write. Now, what is mass of water? Look at the quantities here. Volume of glycerine is given, the density of water is given, density of glycerine is given. Can you find out volume of glycerine? No, you cannot find. Okay, so mass of water you cannot find. So what I will do is I will just write this as mass is equal to volume multiplied by density. Okay, so when I do this, mass of water I can write this as density of water multiplied by density of water multiplied by volume of water plus now this will be density of glycerine multiplied by volume of glycerine divided by volume of water plus volume of glycerine. I can write like this. Okay, now what I will do is I'll take up this page also a little bit more. Okay, I'll write it here because I don't have space. I'll write here. So what is rho average? 1.1. I'll just substitute all the values. 1.1 is equal to, what is this rho W? Rho W is density of water, which is 1 multiplied by volume of water. What is volume of water? I don't know. That's what I need to find. Volume of water, I'll write this V over here, plus density of glycerine. What is density of glycerine? Density of glycerine is 1.3. 1.3. I'll write 1.3 multiplied by, what is volume of glycerine? Volume of glycerine is given here 40 divided by what else is volume of water, which I don't know, plus volume of glycerine 40 over here. Okay, so now let me expand this. This will be V plus 1.3 into 40 equal to how much? Which should be 13 into 4, which is 52. 52 divided by V plus 40. Now I'll cross multiply this. I'll get 1.1 into V plus 40 is equal to V plus 52. So this will be 1.1 V plus 1.1 into 40 is equal to how much? 44 is equal to V plus 52. So I'll pull this that side. So which will now be 1.1 V minus V is equal to 52 minus 44. What is 52 minus 44? 52 minus 44 should be 8, right? This should be 0.1 V. So V is equal to 8 by 0.1, which should be equal to 80, right? So where is the answer? Answer is D over here. It has taken a long time, but still I hope you have understood this. Thank you.